Welcome to CodeAI, a smart defensive coding application for DevOps. To allow CodeAI to contribute to your project, you only need two things: a GitHub project and a Docker file that specifies how to download and build your project. To get started, click Login with GitHub. This redirects you to an authentication page where you input your GitHub username and password. Once logged in, you're redirected to the dashboard. At the top, you can see the current success metrics from running CodeAI on dozens of open source projects. Below is a list of 3 sample projects ready for you to review. Clicking on one takes you to the project info page where you can review the defects found and fixed by CodeAI. To create a new project, click on New Project in the navigation bar on the left-hand side. Here you need to specify your GitHub project, a Docker file, and a set of security vulnerabilities you would like CodeAI to check for. For this demonstration, I'm going to use libtiff, an open source image compression library which I forked to my GitHub account. In the link repository pop-up, I need to enter my GitHub username, the repository name, the branch that I want CodeAI to analyze, and the target branch if it differs, where I would like CodeAI to submit a pull request. To specify a Docker file, click Upload Docker File. An example is provided in the input window, which you should modify for your project. The inline comments offer step-by-step instructions on how to do this. Once the Docker file is configured, click on Configure Checkers to select the defect categories you wish to find and fix. The highlighted categories are available in the free trial. The remaining ones can be made available with a paid plan. After configuration is complete, you can begin the analysis by clicking Run Analysis. A pop-up appears with the timer counting and the current status of analysis indicated at the bottom. When the run is complete, the project info page will display a set of metrics from the run for you to review. As you can see, CodeAI fixed 10 defects and saved 5 hours of development time. Scrolling down, you will see the set of defects found and fixed grouped by CWE category. The review button only appears for categories where there are issues found and fixed. Clicking the review button next to one of the categories navigates to a page displaying all the detected issues for that category, in this case, CWE 561 dead code. The file and line number for each defect is listed, as well as the issue status, which is either resolved or in progress. To view the bug report for a defect, click on the file name. The report is initially centered on the offending line of code. However, if you scroll to the top of the file, you'll be able to see a more detailed description of the defect. And you will be able to walk through an explanation of why it is an issue. If you conclude that it is a real issue, you can view the fixes that CodeAI suggests by clicking Review Fixes. Otherwise, click Not a Bug to label the issue as a false positive and move on to the next issue. CodeAI presents its fixes in a diff window centered on the lines changed. If the fix looks appropriate, you can click Accept to indicate to CodeAI that it has produced the correct fix. Otherwise, click Decline, and CodeAI may present you with additional fixes. The Accept Decline actions help CodeAI to learn and improve over time. If you like the fix but think that it's not quite right, you have the option to change the fix by clicking the Edit button. The code editor will appear centered on the lines changed by CodeAI. Here you can make changes to the code just as you would in an IDE. When you are finished, you can test your patch by clicking Validate. Validation is the process CodeAI runs internally on all of its suggested fixes to verify the correctness of each fix. It is a three-stage process that verifies that the patch compiles, removes the detected defect from the static analysis results, and does not introduce new defects, and optionally runs a user-supplied automated test suite to check that it does not introduce a regression into the code. If you like the fix and would like to submit a pull request to your repository, you can create a pull request in the window below the fix. Specify the branch name, a commit message, and a pull request message. If you click Create Pull Request, this will push the fix to your repository. You can easily check that it was sent by visiting the pull request page of the repo and verifying that a new pull request was created by CodeAI. That concludes the tutorial on how to use CodeAI. Thanks for watching.